You're watching How Leap. Let me show you how to fix cannot download photo from iCloud on iPhone. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Ensure iCloud Photos is enabled. Go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, tap Photos and toggle on iCloud Photos. Restart your iPhone. If the issue persists, sign out of iCloud and back in. Go to Settings, tap your name, scroll down and tap Sign Out, then sign back in. Update your iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Check iCloud storage. If it's full, delete old files or buy more storage. For more simple software tutorials, subscribe to the How Leap channel.